None of the women are straight villains and none of the women are straight heroes, just like in real life, you know? Yeah. You know, we've got lots of colors and lots of side stories.
Have you ever wondered what happens when a Hollywood legal battle takes an unexpected turn? In a shocking development, Justin Baldoni just scored a major victory in his ongoing legal battle, with Blake Lively after a judge granted him significant protections in court. But that's not all. Damaging footage of Blake allegedly bullying fans is now making rounds on the internet, potentially changing the entire narrative of this high-profile feud. The Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni saga has captivated Hollywood since December 2024.
Tonight, scandal rocking Hollywood as the fallout begins from Blake Lively's explosive allegations against co-star Justin Baldoni.
When Lively first filed sexual harassment claims against her, it ends with us co-star. What started as Lively seemingly having the upper hand has dramatically shifted, with Baldoni fighting back through lawsuits and evidence that's challenging Lively's narrative. Today, I'm breaking down the latest bombshell developments in this case, from the judge's recent ruling that heavily favors Baldoni to the leaked footage that's raising serious questions about Lively's behavior. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this could be a game-changing moment in one of Hollywood's most bitter feuds. And just to be clear, I've spent hours researching court documents, analyzing statements from both legal teams, and examining the newly leaked footage to bring you the most accurate information possible.
Justin Baldoni is reflecting on the past year since the release of his movie, It Ends With Us.
I had an intense year. This morning I sent a text message.
The judge overseeing Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni's legal battle just delivered a significant ruling that many are calling a major win for Baldoni's team. While Lively had requested an expanded protective order to prevent certain sensitive information from becoming public, the judge's decision actually works in Baldoni's favor in several key ways. The judge acknowledged that both parties need protection for truly sensitive information, like medical records and trade secrets related to future business projects. However, he rejected Lively's attempt to get special treatment that would have given her more control over what information could be released. What makes this ruling particularly significant is that the judge specifically noted that both sides have accused the other of litigating this case via the media.
After the New York Times filed a motion to exit the director's $400 million federal defamation lawsuit that also names Blake Lively, husband Ryan Reynolds, and their publicist.
This directly contradicts Lively's narrative that only Baldoni was trying to fight this battle in the court of public opinion. Baldoni's attorney, Brian Friedman, celebrated this balanced approach, stating they're fully in agreement with the judge's decision to provide a narrow scope of protections. Meanwhile, Lively's team has been dealt a significant blow to their strategy of controlling the narrative. In a stunning development that's sending shockwaves through social media, footage has emerged of what appears to be Blake Lively allegedly bullying a fan at a hotel in Waco, Texas. According to TikToker Caitlin Marie Cooper, who shared her experience in a viral video,
here are all the times when Blake Lively was being rude during interviews. During an interview for Gossip Girl, Leighton Meester was talking about the characters that they play, but then Blake decides to make a passive-aggressive comment implying that she's much nicer than her co-star.
I think I'm just brunette because of the books.
Everyone knows blondes are nicer anyway.
She and her mother were staying at Hotel 1928 in Waco when they encountered Lively and her entourage. Cooper claims that after casually recording Lively in the lobby, things took an unexpected turn. Cooper alleges that Lively herself approached them the next day, recording them in their car, even capturing their license plate information. But the situation allegedly escalated further, with Cooper claiming that members of Lively's team, including her lawyer, social media manager, and even her nanny, began following her online accounts and harassing her. What makes this particularly damaging for Lively is the timing.
Old footage revealing that yes, her secret plan is to always take control of the movies and lie to the directors to get it.
Coming right after her appearance at South by Southwest Film Festival promoting Another Simple Favor with Anna Kendrick, where rumors of tension between the co-stars were already swirling. This leaked footage couldn't come at a worse time for Lively, as it directly contradicts the image she's trying to maintain in her legal battle with Baldoni, where she's positioned herself as a victim of harassment. Justin Baldoni's legal team has been executing a masterful strategy that's starting to pay dividends. Rather than backing down when faced with Lively's accusations, Baldoni has methodically fought back, filing his own lawsuits and creating a dedicated website to share evidence supporting his side of the story. When Lively's team attempted to silence Baldoni with a gag order, the judge rejected it.
Asking for the gag order and explaining how he's talking too much, he's threatening to post stuff on public sites. So what I think is, this looks good for Baldoni.
Pointing out that both parties had been equally vocal in the media. This was Baldoni's first significant win in court. Lively's legal team then complained about Baldoni's attorney, Brian Friedman, being too talkative about the case in public. But the judge shut down these objections as well, allowing Friedman to continue speaking freely about the case. Perhaps most importantly, Lively's attempt to choose who would question her during deposition was firmly rejected by the judge, another major victory for Baldoni's team. This means Lively will have to face Friedman's questioning directly, something her legal team was clearly trying to avoid. With the trial date set for March 2026,
Justin says that Blake was determined to make him the real-life villain in her story because she wasn't doing well on the promo tour for the movie. It was very tone-deaf.
Baldoni's team has made it clear they have no intention of settling. As Friedman stated, the only way that you can truly get back and prove your innocence is in a courtroom. Adding another layer to this already complex legal battle is Ryan Reynolds' recent attempt to distance himself from the lawsuit. Reynolds has filed a motion to be dropped from Baldoni's $400 million defamation lawsuit, claiming that Baldoni's arguments against him have no legal basis. Reynolds' attorneys argue that he's only named as a defendant because Steve Sarowitz, one of Baldoni's business partners.
The New York Times filed a motion on Friday to dismiss a federal defamation lawsuit filed by actor Justin Baldoni in response to the paper's December article about his troubles on set.
Promised to spend up to $100 million to ruin Ms. Lively and Mr. Reynolds. However, Friedman fired back, stating that, after lighting a match, Mr. Reynolds now seeks to run from the flames. It won't work. He added that Reynolds was a key player in the scheme, defaming Justin around Hollywood, strong-arming WME into dropping Justin as a client, and trying to destroy Justin's career however possible. This development further complicates the legal battle, potentially exposing rifts in Lively and Reynolds' united front against Baldoni. The tide appears to be turning in Justin Baldoni's favor as he scores significant legal victories and damaging footage of Blake Lively allegedly bullying fans emerges at the worst possible time for her case. What started as Lively seemingly having the upper hand has evolved into a much more balanced legal battle, with Baldoni's methodical approach yielding results in court. The judge's recent ruling protecting sensitive information while rejecting special treatment for either party represents a significant win for Baldoni's team. Meanwhile, the leaked footage of Lively's alleged bullying behavior raises serious questions about her character at a critical moment in this high-stakes legal drama. As this case continues to unfold, one thing is becoming increasingly clear. This isn't going to be the quick victory Lively may have initially expected. With the trial date set for March 2026 and both sides refusing to settle, we're likely to see many more twists and turns in this Hollywood saga. What do you think about these latest developments? Do you believe the leaked footage will impact Lively's case? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on this ongoing story.